Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this videos, we will see the latest update of new Everton Stadium. It's going fantastic. In my opinions, it will be the best stadium right now. Everton Stadium's world-class playing surface is undergoing its final dramatic transformation. The synthetic stitching of millions of fibers into the newly laid topsoil is underway, using specialized machinery that will slowly work its way across the pitch. That intensive process follows grass seeds recently being sown and covered periodically with a germination blanket to protect the seeds, allow light and water to penetrate, and warm the soil to accelerate growth. The hard-wearing synthetic fibers, which will cover around 5% of the pitch area, are designed to interlock with the growing grass to provide stability, strength, and longevity to the hybrid SIS grass surface. Behind the scenes, final touches are also being made to the functional, ultra-modern home dressing room. The spacious, circular sanctum in the West Stand now has a hard-wearing floor installed along with all the players' individual booths, complete with locker space. A giant Everton crest embedded in the roof space has also received its top coat of royal blue paint to complete the impressive installation. The bright and airy players' tunnel is also close to completion, with lighting, flooring, and ventilation now fitted to complement the chevron ceiling. The stadium concourses, which are steadily being fitted with wayfinding signs, also have television screens fitted at regular intervals, including above the food and drink kiosks. In total, there are well over 600 screens fitted around the four stands, including in all premium spaces. Everton Stadium will be officially handed over to the club by the end of 2024, following a 3.5-year build. The internal fit-out of all premium spaces will then take place, with test events commencing early in 2025, before the club plays its first competitive fixture at its new home next August.